it has failed with law and order, and such type of episodes cannot happen without the police being involved and political godfathers being involved. गोयंचो पाब्लो एस्कोबार कोण हें पयलीं क्लासिफाय जावपाक जाय. हें विधानसभेक आमी मांडटले. Whether Rowan County knows who's the Pablo Escobar, whether the chief minister knows who's the Pablo Escobar of Goa. आज जेलींत पयलीं आमी दिसताले आमी पयलीं आमदार जाले सारको एकलो क्रिमिनल एशको पिक्चर काडटा डॉना भाशी सारको चलोन थिंगा सगळें मेळटा. ड्रग्स मेळटा, गांजा मेळटा, गॅम्बलिंग जाता, सोरो मेळटा आनीक it has reached heights कि the system where Kolwale jail today is 110% full. जे capacity ha is way over their capacity. 610 लोकांक जेलींत घालपाक ही capacity Kolwale जेलीची. Today there are more than 630 to 640 people. So the system today has completely failed. Why it has failed? Criminals of different backgrounds under trial je police hai, the system of making sure that people who cannot get bail, who are under trial, for them what schemes are there? This government has failed all across the country. If you see today, drugs is flourishing in the state of Goa. 2,000-3,000 crores of drugs that was raided in Delhi. The end product was Goa. Chief Minister एणे सांगलेलें की जे 43 क्रोजाचे ड्रग्स 2-3 months back जे that was confiscated. हेजेर इन्क्वायरी जातली. Amit Shah तो पत्र बरयतलो आणि he knew that it came from Thailand. आता थायलँडान आज drugs comes to Goa through what route? Who is getting it? So this is an intelligence failure not only of this engine. Both the engines have failed miserably. And today you can say every village, एक villaging drugs is readily available. First it was available only on beaches. Today different types of drugs is available. And ye drugs je confiscate kota je jenna we have to put it basically on a white paper. You see the amount and who basically Atala जावं दुसरे हे नायजेरियन जंय एक आख्खे गोंयभर जी गँग चलयता आनी एक गँग गोंयचो पाब्लो एस्कोबार कोण? This is a प्रश्न. Very simple. There is absolutely no will. This government is forced to make sure that the law and order is at its worst today. Why? Because these criminals are hand in gloves with the ruling dispensation. अरे पणजेंत हे स्मार्ट सिटी हे स्मार्ट सिटी करून आम सदांच म्हणटाय पूण हे गांजा मेळत आहा पणजेच्या गांवांत. सुनीता सावंतूय म्हणटा पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी जाल म्हणून आनी हे गांजेचे जे झाड जे एक मोला भायर मेळटाले आज सगळे खूंय रोयताय कोण रोयताय हे आमदारू रुलिंगां रोयताय मग कितें सांगूं जायना. हे कांय सांगपाक जायना. हे दिस इज डेफिनेटली वी आर नोन टुडे एज द ड्रग कॅपिटल ऑफ द कंट्री. Is this the culture of the BJP? Is this what Goa was known? And the way it is readily available, and innocent youth are forced to get into it because of the raising unemployment issues, of job issues. So the youth are forced to get into this particular trade because this government has failed to secure their future.